white thing on top of that shed is my weather station, and it communicates with the thing I have inside the house, so it tells me how fast the wind's going, what direction, how much rain, temperature, and different things like that. That was a gift from Debbie for Christmas. The shed it's on top of is actually our smoke shed for smoking hams, bacons, and cheeses. This is one of our little puppies. Hi, Patricia. 2 of them went home today, and there's LeGarrette, the little boy, and Patricia's Patricia. That's a little girl. This is a little boy going to California. Patriot, good go boy. Yeah, good go boy. There's Mama. 10 to you, dear girl.